Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create this sleek animated presentation using Canva. Step by step. Let's get started. First, open Canva, go to the video section, and select your preferred video resolution. Now upload your images, then drag them one by one into the timeline. Resize each image so they're the same size and line them up side by side, just like this. Once they're arranged, select all the images and group them together. Now increase the size of the group until each image fills the workspace nicely. Next, go to the Text tab and add the title or location name you want to use. Let's start with Singapore. Change the font to Zoom Rough Bold, update the text color to white, and stretch the text handles to create that cool transparent gap inside the text. Now duplicate that text and type your next word. Align all your text elements neatly on the right side of the canvas, keeping just a little bit of each inside the visible frame. Add a new page, then head to Elements, Frames and search for Teardrop. Select a few and place them in the center of your page. Resize them, align them, and change their color to white so they stand out. Next, click the background and change the color to anything contrasting to make the frames clearly visible. Now drag your first image into the first teardrop frame. Select all elements and rotate them 90 degrees. Then drag your second image into the next frame, double-click to reposition it, and rotate it as needed. Repeat the same for your third and fourth images, drag, adjust, rotate, and fine-tune each one. Once all frames are filled, group them together and rotate them back to their original horizontal position. Now copy this group and paste it onto your first page. On your first page, increase the size of the grouped images to fit the layout. Open the Layers panel, find your first text element, and place it where you want it over the image. Then go ahead and delete the second page. Now let's animate this sequence. Duplicate the page and on the second one, shift the first text to the left. Bring in your second text, rotate it slightly, and adjust your image group or background as needed. Repeat the same for the third and fourth slides. Each time you duplicate the page, move the previous text out, bring the next one in, and rotate or shift the image for that smooth animated effect. When you're done creating the slides, add the match and move transition between each page. Increase the transition duration to your liking, and feel free to adjust the timing of each page too. And that's it. You've now created a stylish animated presentation in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.